In front of me is BLACKVIEW Tab 12 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off auto rotation. All you need to do is go into Tab menu and look for Direction Lock shortcut with a padlock and an arrow. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now blue. That means that auto rotation is enabled. If you wish to disable it, click on Direction Lock again. You can do exactly the same by opening Settings, clicking Display, and tapping on this switcher next to Direction Lock feature. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!